it's quiet on the set. Look around. You, back there. Shh. BLG's about to go on the air. And action! Hey everybody, welcome back. This is going to be maybe even a boring episode for you, but it's going to be an episode and you're going to like it. With Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG. I am lefty. I am righty. Today we're just going to do a simple hot ham and cheese sandwich. We used to have this place called La Gondola back up in Illinois. Well, they still have it. You guys in Illinois still have La Gondola in the Pekin area, you know, Peoria area and all that stuff. But they had these hot ham and cheese sandwiches that were fucking nice. I got close to making them things. It's kind of a copycat. And here's how we're going to do it. First, we're going to shut that light off because it fucks with everything. I've got bad lighting in this house. Bad. I got a pan here, heated up, hot. Right? And I've got some nice rolls, right? They made their own homemade bread. I did not do that. But we're going to toast these off. Dry skillet. We're just going to toast these off. I've got two of them. I have to do one at a time. So we're going to toast these off, one side only, the bottom sides, till they get nice and brown, right? Nice and brown. Oh shit, I hit something. Hope that didn't do anything. It didn't. Alright. Nice and brown. We're going to get nice and brown. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. And when I get reincarnated, righty here, speaking, when I get reincarnated, I'm going to be a chicken. I'm going to sound like this. Fuck, 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 fuck yeah. Fuck, 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 fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck, 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 fuck yeah. It's going to be cool. Righty the chicken. Yep, that's good, righty. That's a good one. See, toasted. Look how fast that is. Hot skillet. Toasted. Then we'll toss this one in. This one's kind of tore up. It didn't want to separate from the rest of the flock. I bought a flock of these things, and they were all kind of baked together. They're the homemade ones made at a Walmart bakery. So we'll toast these up real quick. I got the oven also pre, as we like to say in this pros, as a professional cook. The oven says it's pre to 425 degrees. That's going to be to finish these puppies off when we get them built. This isn't just slap it together. No, no, no. No, 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 no. We got a chance of rain again today. Woohoo! Rain's pretty nice yesterday all morning. The sun started coming out about a little 10 after noon or something like that, quarter after noon. Something like that. It was pretty cool. It was enjoyable. It was very nice. The air conditioner's still wacky because it got to 85 outside yesterday, 78 in the house with the air conditioner blasting all day. Yeah, we're gonna get that fixed pretty soon. Yo, lady, the puppy, the mama, she'll be coming home a week from tomorrow. She said she'll be heading back this way. Cute. Woohoo! She's supposed to call and talk to me tomorrow. Those are toasted. Good, good, good. Alright, so this turns off. This gets the hell out of the way. Now what we're going to do is shift over to here. Just real quick like. And, before your very eyes, whammeronious, I happen to have a cookie sheet right here. Lined with some aluminum foil so we don't make a huge mess. What I'm going to do, what say we're going to do here, is going to take, and you have to have honey ham. Don't use regular ham. It does not taste the same. It really doesn't. You have to use the honey ham. It gives it that sweetness that I detected in the sandwich up there. Up north, as you people say. Up there north. So we put some honey ham on here. We'll take some cheese. I'm going to fold it in half like this. We'll take this one, fold it in half. American cheese. Right out of processed American cheese. Everybody loves it. It's our favorite cheese. That's what everybody says. I don't know. Here we go. Take this bottom part here. We get plenty of ham on here. Don't skimp. Honey ham. Boom. And this is just great value honey ham. It's half as much as that fancy crap, and it tastes the same. Saves the money. Yep, that's what I always say. Alright, so got some ham on that one. Just fold it in half, set him on here. Like that. Smack him on here. Like that. A booyah, bada bang. There they are. They're ready to go in the oven. We're just waiting for the oven to come up. And when it comes up, we'll smack these in the oven. And just keep an eye on them. We just want to let them go in the oven until they're nice and gooey, melty and good. So that's why I put it at 425, because they used to run theirs real quick through the pizza oven. So anyways, see you back here when that oven is prepped to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright folks, prep to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Turn on the light in the oven. See, light's on. You take your little tray, zap these little bad boys, middle rack like that. And I'm going to move that so we can see. See, they're in there. Can't really see through the window, but when I open the door to check, see if it's all melty. This should probably take, I'm going to say anywhere 7 to 10 minutes, something like that. So, see you back here when these get all nice and melty at 425, and I'll let you know how long it took. That was a quick one, wasn't it? Yeah, BLT. And clip! And fade picture out, please. Folks, I just took them out of the oven. There you have it. Hot ham and cheese sandwiches. They didn't quite melty, but they're very hot. See how it's kind of crisped up that bread? And now what I'm going to do, dig this part. If I don't burn the hell out of myself, I just got these out of the oven. 7 minutes at 425 degrees. I'm trying to tear this foil. I'm going to take these shears, zap this foil in half. Like this. This will help get them all melty and stuff too. And keep them hot for a while. God, that's hot. It's really hot. That was not quite big enough. It'll have to do. We'll get her close. Hot. Extremely hot. Okay? This one about the same. Take him like this. That one should be close. We'll pop him over like this. And that heat will stay in there. Help that cheese get a little bit more smushy melty. This one just won't be quite as smushy melty. But there you go. Just a quick episode, you know, something to do. I gave the fishies a little drink of water. Hey, they're doing all good, swimming around, see? Cute fishes make famous. Look at them, they're cute. They're all cute. Swimming fishes, swimming fishes. There they are, all 4 of them in there. A little tree and stuff. Yeah. So anyways, just a quick little episode for you. I got to toast off some bread to make me some breadcrumbs. Because one of these days I'm going to have... I did some butchery this morning. Ground up some chicken. And made 2 original Burger King chicken sandwich patties. In there getting all cured up and froze. That's going to be supper... maybe day after tomorrow or something. I'm kind of hankering for pizza, so I think I'm going to have pizza for supper tomorrow. But anyways, just a quick update there for you, and a little episode how to make a pretty damn tasty hot ham and cheese sandwich. Enjoy. For Hands On with BLG, I am BLG. I am righty, and I'm lefty. We'll catch you guys right back, chop. Next exciting episode. Goodbye. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.